Okay, guys, I am back getting ready to share with you how I make the easiest sweetened potato pie. You can do the same with pumpkin, whichever you prefer, with just only 2 ingredients. Now let me show you what's in here. I have sweetened potatoes, 6 sweetened potatoes, and I got some caramel from Nestle. Can you see that, guys? And I'm getting ready to mix it together. Now you have to excuse, and this is a 13.4 ounce can. You can do caramel, you can do vanilla, whatever you want. Now I've been making it like this for years. It's very easy, no measuring involved. Normally I have 3 large sweetened potatoes, but they didn't have any at the store, so I ended up using 6, which is the equivalent of 3 large sweetened potatoes. All right, guys, so I got my mixer. Now this is an old mixer. I already know what it looks like, but it gets the job done. I'm gonna turn it on. Well, I better put this in here first, huh? Okay, turn it on low. And I'm gonna take my time and mix this up. Mix it up really good. Okay. Clean this off a little bit. Now, the thing about sweetened potatoes, if you love sweetened potatoes, you already know and understand that it has its own sweetness. So because of that, you do not have to add a lot of sugar to it. So I use the can of condensed milk, either vanilla. This is the first time I'm trying it with the caramel. But anyway, it depends on what flavor you're going for. There we go. Now, I'm going to taste it. Perfect. Now, I'm going to show you, instead of a regular pie crust, I am using one of those cake pans, the form pans where the sides come off. I line them I lined this one with pie crust, and I had to do 3 different layers and everything to make sure it covered the pan the way I wanted to. One day I'll make my own pie crust, that way I can make it as big as I need it to be depending on what I'm making. So I am going to spoon this in. Yeah, I wanted mine to have a different shape to it besides a pie shape. So I decided to use a cake pan. Now I just got to spread this out in here evenly. Spread this out evenly in here. Trying to make it look as neat as possible. I'm not going for perfection. I just wanted to line up in here the way I needed to line up. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like, guys. And it is ready to go in the oven. I'll put it in at 325 and let it bake until the crust is brown. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate it. All right, I'll be back, guys. In the meantime, guys, a sneak peek at the turkey. Look.
Looks like there's more bacon than birds.
Oh, honey, please. Look at that, guys. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, guys. I'll be back. Sorry about the finger.